why this crap doesn't work.
Did you remember to plug in the antenna?
Yes, I did remember to plug in the antenna.
And did you plug it outside?
But it's raining.
But the new GCT RF connectors are rated IP67, 68 and 69K when mated and unmated.
RF connectors and cable assemblies from GCT. Apart from reliability and wide selection of connections, what makes them so special? Let me explain it using this jar. When the lid is on, it will hold water, but if I remove it, jar is no longer water sealed. That logically makes sense. So now, imagine GCT connector as an open jar that holds water, or rather doesn't let water in, because those connectors, unlike other available on the market, are IP67, 68 and 69K rated when mated and unmated. That's crazy! And I love it! Let's look at a few examples. Cable assemblies are available with multiple combinations of bulkhead connectors. You can get SMA, PNC, TNC, N with standard and reverse polarity, front and rear mounted. The variety allows you to select the most suitable option for your application. How can you be sure that it's waterproof? GCT's range of IP-rated coaxial assemblies pass the specially designed Accelerated Life Testing, or ALT. It simulates a 5-year prolonged use in demanding environments. ALT consists of 4 core tests: electrical performance, salt sprays, IPEX 7 testing and thermal shock. All of that to ensure that GCT products can maintain optimal performance throughout the lifespan, whatever is happening around it, or when mated and unmated. For more demanding environment, you can reach for the stainless steel option. It is very resistant to contaminated fluids or high power and high temperature water jets. Great for applications like sewage and waste management, mining, food preparation or the marine industry. But if the uninterrupted signal and data without crosstalk is crucial to you, get the isolated SMA and TNC connectors. Rated for IP67 when mated and unmated, guarantee reliability and isolation. GCT, by cooperating with IPEX, can offer cable assemblies with some of the latest and smallest micro-coaxial connectors, and that includes locking versions suitable for shock and vibration-prone applications. Also, compact size is great in modern technology, so what's next? GCT Air? I heard it's raining right now, so who knows? Those water-sealed connectors are also available for PCB mounting. SMA and TNC formats rated IP67 and IP68 when mated and unmated, with options for straight and right angle orientation. And again, for harsh environment, stainless steel is also available. GCT in their lineup also includes protective caps, but do you really need them if they are IP rated when mated and unmated? Wow, sorry, that still amazes me. And if you are as amazed as I am, visit TME.eu, the distributor with a catchy slogan, and check available variants, order and get the package almost as fast as I can say that GCT offers RF connectors and cable assemblies that are IP rated when mated and